we ended up buying this, and I picked up 2 of it. Now, this is a rust inhibitor. It's POR 15. POR stands for paint over rust 15. And basically, it comes with a cleaner degreaser, a metal prep, and the POR 15 itself. Now, this one we can roll on or we can paint if I put some thinners in it or some solvent. I think they sell something to dilute it. But the first stage of what I'm going to do is clean it. Then you got to wash it down. Then you got a metal prep, which is going to... you spray on, keep it wet, it etches the metal, and then you wash that off as well. And then you can roll this on or spray. We're gonna roll this on first. And basically it activates with moisture. So the moisture in the air stuff actually activates this. It becomes really hard. I've used this on my Chevy Avalanche on the frame and it actually works. So I really like this product. Awesome product. This is what we're gonna use to protect it. Now, I also bought a gun. Let me show you. I bought this Eastwood undercoating gun, and I think it was like $100 or 200 bucks maybe. No, it's 100 bucks. It's made in Italy. Looks awesome. I was gonna fill some of the POR 15 in here. It comes with these nozzles that actually go into really small crevices, such as the holes in the body, so we can actually spray inside the frame, which is super cool because I'm trying to build this car to last my entire life. Whatever happens after that, I don't care. But during this lifetime where I'm gonna enjoy it, I wanna make sure it's done right. And maybe my future kids can enjoy it too. But I'm excited. We got this, and all that's left is to apply it. So let's go. By the way, here's what the car is looking like. So let us walk into this direction here. And this is what I'm talking about. The little nozzles are gonna go into these holes and allow me to give the entire body a complete spray, and even inside the frame. So I'm super excited. Is it me, or does the car look like an actual spaceship? Look how dope that looks. It looks like a little spaceship. Pew, 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 pew. See it? So wide. I like that. Super, super wide. Oh, can't wait. The vision is here. I see it. It's gonna be such a dope 3000 GT VR4 all-wheel drive, twin turbo, 4-wheel steering, active aero, electronic suspension. The whole 300 yards. Let's go. Well, this is our degreaser, so we're gonna spray this real quick. Spray it down and then wash it off. Let's get started. Alrighty, so now we're gonna hit the underside of this with some metal prep. I'm not sure if I'm able to dilute this, but we're gonna dilute it anyway because I need some more in that spray bottle. And we have to spray the hole underneath and the engine bay with it. So we're gonna try some dilution. I gotta keep the whole thing wet for 30 minutes. And on the heavy rusted area, like same 30 minutes. And then I have to rinse it thoroughly with water like you saw me do with the cleaner degreaser. And after that, it has to be bone dry before we apply our POR 15, which I may have to buy more because it's such an itty bitty can that they gave me, but it's okay. We will work with the heavy rusted spots first in the engine bay, and then I'll go out and buy some more POR. So can't wait. Let's get this going. is 220. We have till 250. Let's keep it wet. Now it's officially 2:53. We waited the 30 minutes. Let's rinse it off. Alrighty guys, so here we are with the 3000. Now we just finished pour 15, the entire thing. That is going to help prevent any kind of rust. It's a rust inhibitor, great. It left this beautiful shine, but this is not where we're going to stop. What we did was picked up, I don't know why I keep saying we, it's just me, but what I did was pick up some truck bed liner and some 180 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna scuff all the dullness, and from there, we're gonna make sure this never rusts again. Now, I don't care what happens after my life, but during this entire lifetime of mine where I'm enjoying this, I wanna make sure it lasts for a long time. So whoever gets it after me is gonna have one heck of a car. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, so this is what the car looks like fully undercoated. It looks so damn cool. So we did the pour 15 undercoat, so now there's no more rust. It is a rust preventative. Plus, we also added the bed liner under this vehicle, and it looks so damn good, honestly. We also did it in the engine bay right over here. The engine bay, the entire engine bay is covered in the bed liner as well. And I did that because there's a lot of heat that goes in here when you're working in the engine bay. Your tools might hit something, chip the paint. I think it looks sick, it looks solid. So let's move on to getting rid of that sound deadening. All right, I think I'm gonna take a little break from chipping this sound deadening because it's really impactful on the arm. I tried using this freeze off thing. It's not really working that great. I actually think it works a lot better without using it and just chipping away with a hammer and chisel. So we'll take some break from this right now, and I'll probably do this off camera. You guys already saw a little clip of me doing it. What I'm gonna do is focus on this with the little wheel, something that's less impactful on the arm right now. And yeah, I'll get back to that. Alrighty guys, that is all that we have for this episode. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. We undercoated the entire vehicle on the underneath and it looks so good. The next thing that we're gonna do is get rid of the undercoating, which I'll probably do in a off the scenes because it really does hurt my arm, and just to be there chipping away in a video, y'all don't wanna see that. So I'm gonna chip away at that, and when it comes time to undercoating the inside, we'll do the inside and rhino line the flooring. That's gonna be on the next episode with the preparation of body work to get this thing painted and looking good. So thank you all for watching. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Leave your comments in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up because it does help with the algorithm, guys. So help your boy out. Been at this channel for 8 years now. 8 years, so help me out. Follow this build. It's a great build. You're gonna love it, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.